Our great Acharya Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur చెప్పాడు that the desires మీ కోరికలు without sankalpam they remain as dreams, and కోరికలు with sankalpam that result in the reality. So please remember this equation. ఇది చాలా ముఖ్యంగా మీరు చూడండి, మీ స్క్రీన్లో వస్తుంది. Desires plus determination is equals to deserve, and desires minus determination is that remains as dreams. So this ancient wisdom teaches us that unless our desires are backed by strong determination, they remain just unfulfilled desires or the dreams. So we need to work with great determination, sankalpam, so that we can achieve those desires, we can fulfill.